So we have an equation to solve, and the equation does have some fractions in it, but we have a calculator. We're just going to leave the fractions there, and we'll deal with those when we get to them. So it's a linear equation. All of my x's to the first power, so we need to know our steps to solving a linear equation. Okay, distribute, combine like terms, variables to the same side, and then isolate the variable. So, can you distribute in this problem? No distributing. Can you combine like terms? Meaning, can I put these two things together? No, one of them has an x, one of them does not. So the third step is bring your variables to the same side. Now I do have two terms of variables. This x here and this 2/3 x. I need to get them on the same side, and I know that you might be used to moving them all to the left, but in this case, since my one constant term, since my non-variable term is on the left, since it's over there, I'm going to leave that one where it is, and I'm going to move this variable term over to the right. Now, it's going to be incredibly helpful if you look at this first x and you tell me what the coefficient is. And the coefficient out in front is a 1. Go ahead and write it there, and it's going to be very helpful. So if I want to get rid of a 1x, I need to, I'll put the 1 right there. If I want to get rid of a 1x, I need to subtract 1x from both sides. What's 1x minus 1x? Gone. It's 0. So if I subtract 1x on the left, I am going to subtract 1x on the right. Bring down my equal sign. So on the left-hand side, all I have is 10 over 15. And now on the right-hand side, I have 2/3 x minus 1x. And you can use your calculator to do that. You hit 2 ABC3 minus 1 equals. You might be able to figure it out without it. 2/3 minus 1, which is 3/3. So that's going to be negative 1/3 x. One more step to get the x by itself. We have brought all our variables to the same side. We need to isolate the variable. We need to get this x all by himself. So he is being multiplied times a negative 1/3. We are going to divide by negative 1/3. And what we do to the right side, we need to do to the left side. Divide both sides by negative 1/3. Alright, you will see negative 1/3 over negative 1/3 reduces down to a 1. Anything over itself is 1. So on the right hand side, all I have is an x. And then on the left hand side, I need to use my calculator. So 10 over 15, I'm going to use the ABC button. 10 ABC 15 divided by negative 1 ABC 3 equals, and it gives me a negative 2. My x is by itself. I have my answer. Negative 2 equals x. Alright, and yeah, oftentimes we write it x equals negative 2. We'll put the x on the left, but either one works fine.